I was able to find a second target, so I'll keep this test video going a little longer. From work, I was able to find one crappy speaker. It went with a crappy radio that I did in a few Air Cannon videos back sometime last week. So this speaker can be a video test subject today. The air cannon's just at about pressure. I'll be firing at 350 psi for this shot. Again, a caliber 565 lead slug. Well, I apparently hit the speaker. The air cannon's just about back up to pressure, so let's take shot number 2 at this nasty old speaker. I think shot number 2 did some damage. For the third shot, I've loaded with a AA dead battery. We jumped up and spun around. Since I'm just picking edges off, there's still a lot of speaker left, so this time I'm going to shoot it with the glass marble. Looks like I was able to put the marble through the woofer. For this shot, the ammunition will be a hard chunk of aluminum with a slightly rounded nose to make it look like a projectile. I hit it somewhere. For the last shot, I'm going to take at this thing. I've decided to load up with about a foot-long piece of fine steel chain. We'll see what, if anything, that does. Looks like the steel chain shot did hit it. Here's a final look at that lousy old speaker. The chain shot finally broke enough of the plastic to evict the so-called woofer from the speaker. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching my little test video here.